Hey guys, welcome to Tips and Tactics, Strategies to Make You Think. Now this is for experienced traders, but if you're a new trader you can follow along as well. Please read this disclaimer. This is your trading disclaimer and it's required from the CFTC. Okay, let's get right into it. Today we're going to be talking about why we only take long trades when we're sending out signals. This is the reason why. Because if you look at this chart, there's a couple of things that I want you to look at. Number one, look at this white line right here. This arrow right here shows where the signal came out. It came out at the open of this little blue bar right here, and you can see the line extending out into the future. Now what this tells you is that 62% of the time, this signal right here is profitable. It expires above this line upon expiry 62% of the time. We have had 7 wins in a row and 7 consecutive wins in a row and 4 consecutive losses in a row over the past 61 signals. Now, based upon nothing else and everything else being identical, this little arrow right here is pointing to long only trades. We're not looking at any short trades at all, and you can see it right here, long trades only. Why is that? Well, if you're using MT4, there's a thing called the bid-ask spread. If you will notice this little line right here, this little red line, this is your bid price, right? Excuse me, your mid price. The white line is your bid price, and I'm going to show you the ask now. Now, it's a little bit difficult to see here, but the very top price is the ask, the bottom white line is your bid, and your middle line is the mid price. Now, the mid price, it will add up to your binary options price on Nadex and Cantor Exchange in about 98 point whatever percent of the circumstances whenever you look at it. It'll line up to the second decimal on the yen pairs and the fourth decimal on the Euro USD pairs. Pretty good. It might be off by a tick or two. And during news announcements, it might be off by, who knows. During news announcements, I don't trade through those anyways. So, why do we only go long only? Because the simple fact is, if you're going long only, every single one of these wins is going to be a winner, and some of the losses are actually going to be winners. For instance, if a loss occurred right on the line, according to MT4, it's technically going to be a winner simply due to the bid-ask spread. MT4 has what's called bid-ask pricing. You can look up here in the upper left-hand corner and you can see that you can buy it for 110.21 and you can sell it for 110.20. This little pip in here is your spread. All right? It's your spread. Binary options do not have this type of spread. They have their own spread, but they don't have a bid-ask spread. They have what's called spot pricing. Now, spot pricing, instead of taking this bid-ask spread, they're going to take this, and the binary options price is going to be roughly in the middle of these two in the majority of circumstances. So price expires right here on the line. It's going to be a winner if you're buying. It's going to be a loss if you are selling. This strategy may only give you about a 2% edge because the bid-ask spread is not that large anymore. However, any edge is better than nothing. Even casinos make money on a 2% edge on a lot of their games. All right, so there you go. That is tips and tactics of why we go long only. Now, I'm not telling you to go long only all of the time. I'm just saying that on the signals that we send out, they are long only, and that's the reason why. If you like these videos we put out and you want to see what we have with the free Strat Club, the free trading course, and our strategy sheets, just go over to traderbotmarketplace.com and check out what we have to offer. We give out most of our stuff for free, and the other little stuff is just pennies. So, all right, I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.